Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video I want to show you how to predict the forex market, how to read the forex chart by showing you how I did my analysis, by showing you step by step how I analyzed EURUSD charts, how I predicted the market, and how I took a trade on EURUSD. So if you are a beginner or advanced trader, this video will be very helpful to you. First of all, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you're going to learn a lot about forex trading in this channel. This channel will teach you the basics about forex and also how to analyze the forex market charts. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post a video. So guys, let's get the video started. So guys, take a look at this chart. This is a 50 minutes time frame chart. So as you can see, first of all, we had a price broke out of this rejection area. As you can see, also the support area are equal. So as you can see the support area. So guys, price broke out of this resistance area. Now price came back again, touched this area, and as you can see, price went up again and formed a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low. If we take the trend and mark it, so now guys, so you can see price broke. You see price form a fake breakout at this point. Price retraced back up again, touches this trend and came back again. Now you can take a look at this point also. So the trend touches this, you can see the trend fails to break out of this area. Now price retraced back to the upside again. Now if we go to the 30 minutes time frame, you can also see that price is showing the same confirmation, a clear confirmation. You can see. So at this point, what I'm looking to do is to go long on EURUSD. So I'm just looking to go long on EURUSD at this point. Kind of expecting to take my profits at this point. If you are a trader that don't have much capital to trade, or if you are a trader that have been looking for a nice and affordable prop firm to buy a challenge and pass and get funded and start trading, this is one of the cheapest and best prop firm out there. You can see they have 5k challenge, 10k challenge, 25k challenge, 50k challenge, and 100k challenge. They make use of MetaTrader 5 and their own MetaTrader with zero minimum trading days. Daily loss 5%, maximum loss 10% with 8% profit targets. So you can check it out, and as you can see, 10k account is just $60. Other prop firms sell it $80. You can see 25k accounts is just $140. So guys, check it out with the link in the description below. So guys, as I was saying, I'm kind of expecting to take my profit at this point. So at this point guys, I'm kind of confident that the market will head to the upside because I have confirmed my entry from the 15 minutes and the 30 minutes time frame, and they are kind of giving me the same and clear confirmation about my analysis and my entry. So guys, if we go back to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see a trend. The market formed a trend. As you can see, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. As you can see, in price, this is the fake breakout. So at this point, I'm expecting to go long on EURUSD at this point. So let's see how the market plays. So guys, at this point price was kind of heading to my stop loss, so I shift my stop loss a little to this support area. So I think this was the right place to put my stop loss, because I think that if price should cross this area, that means price is heading to the downside. So that's why I shift my stop loss to this support area. So that is my final stop loss. If the price should get to that point, I'm out. So let's still watch how the market plays. So guys, price was very close to my stop loss. Then price formed a very strong rejection candle to the upside. So guys, price have hit my TP area, and also price just crossed my TP area. So guys, subscribe for more trading videos like this. Thanks.